So this is how you're going to make your end screen. First of all, you want to go to youtubestudio.com, sign in, and then you will get into this page. Now, once you're done with this, all you have to do is click on videos. Then you choose which particular video you want. Now, I already put all the end screens on this, so I'm going to go to the next page where I think one of my videos does not have an end screen like this one. And then all you have to do is add an end screen, and then you can choose which type of end screen you want. Personally, I do like this, but let me show you different options. So there's one video over here, and then there's your channel logo, or there's like it's down, and then this one it's on side, and these are just two videos. This is your channel logo plus two videos. This is just two videos. But personally, as I said, I like this one. To do is save. Now, why on earth would you do this? Well, actually, this gives you more subscribers and views. So, I want to show you guys some proof. I'm going to go to my channel and pick the latest video. Now,
Before this
I
video
already put
starts,
an
I
end
just want
screen for this video, so all I have to do is go to the last part. Then over here, it'll show up. See, as you can see here, my channel logo, and then if you are a viewer, you will once you click this, it'll go here and you can click subscribe, and you should subscribe to this channel. Then also there's this another video, and as I said, YouTube decides which one to recommend to you based on your search history and watch history and everything to do on YouTube. So if I click on this, then it'll actually go back to the channel page. Now, if I click on this, it'll just take me to another video.
thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.